Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need sufficient Robux for purchases and the game in a low-lag instance. Once done, check that your character level and any event requirements are met, missing those blocks acquisition. Now purchase or prepare the access item. This could be a crate, event entry, or badge unlock. Then equip all speed-boosting pets and items so they apply on spawn. Make sure to save inventory slots and verify ability bindings. Doing this prevents wasting resources when you begin the swift samurai acquisition. Now you focus on the complex steps. Progress through the quests or boss fights that drop swift samurai components. You should follow an optimized route. Use Parker shortcuts, teleport checkpoints, or known item spawn locations to save time. While doing combat, manage cooldowns and hit patterns. That increases drop odds. If the mechanic requires fusing pets or trading pieces, do that next and make sure to fuse in the correct order. Keep track of currency and cooldown timers so you can repeat efficiently if needed. Finish by claiming and equipping the Swift Samurai, then immediately verify its stats and abilities so you know whether to keep or re-roll. If upgrades or trait rerolls are available, spend currency strategically to reach desired speed thresholds. Once complete, test in a safe area to confirm movement and ability interactions. If you do not receive the item, first relog and try a different server. Make sure you met all hidden triggers. If problems persist, gather screenshots and contact game support for resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.